Hey first year Queen students, it's your BioPsych team, and today we're going to talk about our favorite classes that we have taken in our upper year degree. My name is Tia, I'm the second year BioPsych rep.
Hi, my name is Bella and I'm the third year BioPsych rep.
My name is Ursula, I'm one of the co-presidents and I'm in my fourth year of BioPsych.
Hi everyone, my name's Isabel and I'm in my third year and the other co-president for this year.
So today I'm going to talk about both a biology and a psychology class that I have taken. Biol 205, which is Mendelian and Molecular Genetics, which you have to take in your first semester of second year. I like the course content. I really like the profs as well. It was a little bit of a hard course, but in the end, everything worked out okay. I found that the labs were pretty fun and the TAs were fair with marking, which really helped. Also, the labs in the course is like 1 week is an actual assignment and the other week is just for participation, and they level out, which really helped in the course. And for the psychology class that I'm going to talk about is Psych 271, which is Brain and Behavior 1. The course content for that class was super interesting. It's very test-based. But the content was super interesting. It's actually a biopsych class, so the content really mixed with both the biology and psychology aspect of it, and a lot with the brain, obviously, for brain and behavior. And in the end, again, the class was a lot of content, but it definitely worked out in the end.
So one bio class that I really enjoyed was Bio 212, which is Scientific Methods in Biology. I found I really enjoyed that one. It's very mainly just lab-based, no exam, which is amazing. And it was, very hands-on. You get to go to Cubes for a biofield trip, which was a huge plus. And all the labs were super interesting. I remember we worked with worms and plants. So overall, great course. And one other course I'm currently in and really enjoying is actually not a bio or psych course, but it is an elective, and you will get the opportunity to take some electives. So I suggest Pharm 100, which is Introductory Pharmacology. I think it's a great elective. There's usually a lot of spots and it's online, so it's pretty reasonable to get into. And it's really interesting because it kind of combines, I find, bio and psych in a way. Like in a lot of the courses, especially brain and behavior, you talk a lot about different medications and mechanisms in the brain, so having that knowledge actually helps a lot in pharmacology. So overall great course, definitely would suggest it.
My favorite psychology course was Psych 360, which was the psychology of sleep. I really liked this course because it was about something that I hadn't learned about before. This wasn't a topic that you learned about in second year in any of the psych courses, so it was really interesting. And this course also had a really interesting lab component, which I love about many of the psych courses that they have in upper year, third and fourth year, where you got to go into the lab and work with equipment and research hands-on, which is a great opportunity in a course. Another course I really liked was an elective course that I took that also counted towards the biopsych requirements, which was Nsci 323, which was cellular neuroscience. I also found this course really interesting because, again, it was really connected to both biology and psychology, and I found it was a really good intersection between the two topics. And again, it just furthered my knowledge in cell biology, psychology, in terms of different diseases and disorders in neuroscience. And it was just overall a really interesting course, and I learned a lot.
Yeah, so one of my favorite bio courses that I took was Bio 339, or Animal Physiology. The year I took it, or this year, they just recently updated the course, so they completely scrapped the old one and brought in new profs and a new textbook and everything, which was very exciting. We all had the choice between doing plant physiology, biochemistry, and animal phys, and I'm a huge animal person, so this was really good for me. It was about kind of how animals interact with their environment and how their physiology interacts with the environment as well, which I found really interesting. And then one of my favorite psych courses that I've taken so far, I'm actually in it right now, is Psych 325, which is cognitive neuroscience. They also just recently updated this course to a new prof and a new textbook and like started from the ground up. But this one's a lot of the things that I really love, which is biological based psychology, so cognitive psych, neuroscience, and physiological psychology, which is really cool.
Thanks so much for listening, first year Queen students. BioPsych out.